I'm Troy Beverly, and this is Pan-African News. Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso launches Motorcycle Brigade to fight crime in cities. The Burkinabe National Police launched the Motorized Brigade for Security and Intervention, BMSI, on September 10, 2025, in the capital Ouagadougou. The BMSI is comprised of motorcycle police officers who patrol large cities to quickly respond to crimes and alerts. According to Sidwaya, the Director General of BMSI, Thierry Dofizouho Tuina, says the BMSI resembles mobile police stations because of their mobility and proximity to the public. Tuina says the missions of the BMSI include 24-hour patrols, convoy escorts and VIP protection, securing state institutions and critical sites, supporting other defense and security forces, traffic enforcement, and operational intelligence. Tuina adds that BMSI was also launched to curb the rising crime rates in the nation's cities.